So hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the bubble sort. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how actually bubble sort works with the practical example, and we'll check the each step and how it's works and on which step what actually happens. So we are going to discuss everything, and this small tool we are going to use it. So let's start with it. Okay, so first let me introduce the tool. So we have one array. Let's say we have this array. Okay, we have a total number of 5 elements into the array, and then okay, so this is the value of the n minus one. There we here we mentioned that n minus one. Okay, so I have not mentioned it because I want to show you clearly that how actually values calculated, so we can actually understood in the better. So that's the reason I have added the dynamic values over here so we can understand it better. Right? So this is the main thing. And then we have a same n minus 1 and minus I minus 1, which is belongs to here, this fourth. Okay, so here also I am using the dynamic value, but this place is n minus I minus 1. Got it. So, and this is manual controls that we are going to use for the increase the i's and j's values, right? So let's start with the uh, first. Okay, so first let me explain the this for loop. We have a for loop, and under the for loop we have a one more for loop. This is inner for loop. Okay, so we are going to run this code one by one. I know you will understand it. Let's start with it. Uh, Okay, so let's start with the first line. What is the first line saying? It's I is equal to 0. I is equal to 0. Okay, and then we have I is less than 0. Sorry, I is less than 4. What is 4? Is nothing but the n minus 1, which is 5 minus 1, because we have 5 elements into our array. So that's the reason here we have 4. If in the case, let's say we have a case where we have 10 elements into the array, so here the value will be 9. Okay, and because n minus 1, 10 minus 1 is 9, so value will be 9 over here. So now we have a 5 element only, so let's go step by step. So in the first step, I is 0, 0 is less than 4. Okay, so this will be true and goes to the next step. Now let's check the j is equal to 0. Okay, and the j is less than 4. Okay, what is 4? Is nothing but the n minus I minus 1. What is n? N is 5. I is nothing but the 0. You can see here also 0 and 1. Okay, so n minus I minus 1 is nothing but 4. So that's why the value is here 4. So let's check. Okay, so 0 is less than 4. Yes, then it will goes to the next step. So here we'll check the array of j is greater than array of j plus 1. We'll check here. Okay, array of j, this one is array of j is greater than array of j plus 1. Yes, so this condition is true. So what we'll need to do, we need to do what is temp is equal to array of j. So what we need to do in the temp, what we need to add, array of j added. Next step, what we need to do, array of j is equal to array of j plus 1. In array of j, this is the array of j position, we need to add array of j plus 1. Third step, with what we need to do, we need to uh, add the array of j plus 1 position here to the temporary element. Got it? So now what we have done, we just swap the element. Okay, we just swap the element. First element with the second element. Okay, let's go. Now what will happen? So now what will happen? It will goes to the here. Now this condition, now this condition is done. Everything is done. Now it will goes to the again for the for loop. Okay, and the value will be j plus plus. Then here we will increase the j plus plus, okay, by 1. We have done the increment. Now it will check again. So now value of j is 1. So it will check the 1 is less than 4. Yes. So this is true. It will go to the second step. The next step. Okay. Now it will check again. Array of j is greater than array of j plus 1. Array of j is greater than array of j plus 1. Yes. Then we'll do the same step. Temporary array. Move the array of j to the temporary. Okay. Temporary. Then second array of j to j plus 1. Array of j to j plus 1. Then again j plus 1 to temporary. J plus 1 to temporary. Again, we'll go to the for loop, okay, of j, where we'll do j plus plus again, right? We'll check again. 2 is less than 4. Yes, condition is 2. We'll go to the next step. Now here we'll check again. Array of j is greater than array of j plus 1. Array of j is greater than j plus 1. Yes, we'll do the same step again. Move to the here, then again here, this, and then j plus 1 to temporary. Got it? Now again we go to the for, and now j plus plus now 3. Now we'll check 3 is less than 4. Yes, it's 2. We'll do the same step again. We'll check the array of j is greater than j plus 1. Yes, array of j is greater than j plus 1. We'll do the same step. Move array of j to the temporary. Then move array of j to the array of j plus 1 to the array of j. Done. Then array of move to the temporary to the array of j plus 1. Move temp. Yes, we done this. Okay. And again it will go to the for loop and we'll check increment the j plus plus. Now we'll check 4 is less than 4. No, right? This condition is false now. So what will happen? It will go to the, now this loop will break and this value will reset. It's 0. And it will go to the, now here. Here what we'll do? We'll do I plus plus. Got it? Easy? Okay. Now understand. Now i's value is 0. We'll check here also. I is 0. 1 is less than 4. Yes. Is less than 4. Go to the next step. Here we'll check. What will check? J is equal to 0. Okay. And J 0 is less than 3. Yes. 0 is less than 3. Why is 3 now? Here you understand, right? Phi minus, because n minus I minus 1. What is n? Phi. I is now 1 and 1 is equal to 3. So that's why here is 3. So we'll check. 0 is less than 3. Yes. Go to the next step. We'll check here. Array of j is greater than array of j plus 1. Array of j is this. Array of j is greater than j plus 1. No. Array of j is not greater than j plus 1. Right? So this condition will not go this one and this one. It will directly break and go here only and j plus plus. Okay. We'll check again now. Array. So now j is 1, right? So we'll check. 1 is less than 3. Yes. Go to the next step. Now what is array of j is greater than array of j plus 1? J is greater than array of j plus 1. Yes. Do the swapping temporary. Okay. Then this one. Then this one. Done. Same thing we're going to do again. Go to the for loop. Increment 2. Now j is 2. We'll check. 2 is less than 3. Yes. Go to the next step. Take the array of j is greater than j plus 1. Yes. Do the same step. Go to the temporary. Here. Here. Done. Again we'll go to the for loop and this will increment. So what is the value of j now? 3. So we'll check 3 is less than 3. No, this will false and it will reset. And now the pointer goes to the this for loop. Okay, and we'll do the I plus plus. Got it? So let's go to the next step again. Now i's value is 2, right? I's value is 2. That's why n minus I minus 1 is 2. That's why here is 2. Understood? Let's go. So now j's value. We need to check j's value. If you check now, we already sorted this array, right? So this is the drawback of the bubble sort, right? Because we know that this array is sorted, but still we need like this for loop will uh, like run until the this i's value is 4. Understood? This for loop will only stop when the i's value is 4, means false, right? So we need to do the same step again. Even we know that this all going to false only. We'll check here. Array of j is greater than j plus 1. Array of j is greater than j plus 1. No. Here we'll come again and pointer will, so, sorry, j's value will 1 now. Again we'll come here. J is less than 2. Yes. 1, because j's value is 1. 1 is less than 2. Yes. Then we come to the second step. Next step. The next step is same. Array of j is less than greater than j plus 1. No. It will go to the here. Check again. Okay. And this will happen again. Got it? So now our value is 2. So we'll check here. So 2 is less than 2. No. So this condition will false and our array will, so our j will reset. Okay, and pointer goes to the this for loop and I plus plus. So now our I value is 3. So let's check. Now let's go. Okay, now let's go with the I value is 3 and we'll check the I value 3 is less than 4. Yes, let's go to the next step and we'll check here j's value. Okay, j's value is what? 0. 0 is less than 1. Yes, j is 0 is less than 1. So we'll check here. We know that array of j is greater than j plus 1. No. Then we'll come here the j plus plus. Okay. Then we'll check here the j plus plus 1 is less than 1. No. The value is, so if you check now our, if you check our execution is done almost. Okay. So now this will reset, right? This will reset and pointer goes to the this for loop and increment. Now everything is sorted right now. If you check, this array is sorted right now. Even this condition is false now because array of like i's value is 4, 4 is less than 4 and the execution is done now. And our array is also sorted. So I hope so I hope you guys understood this video. And if you have any question regarding this, how it's actually bubble chart works, you can ask me in the comment also. I will try to answer each and every comment. And also, I am providing this like a small tiny tool to in the description. So you can go there and just click on the link, and you will get this tool. You can play with this tool and understand how actually the shot works. So yeah, so for now that's it. Bye bye.